Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are finally going to see Figma drop. There's a bit of padding issue here, but that's fine. Let's get started. So, what is Figma drop? So, it is a way to finally design with a bit of more personality. It's a great tool for creating precise yet playful icons, illustrations, and more. So I made all of my UI icons in Figma, and coming from Illustrator, of course, I had like lots of pain points, but probably this will fix it. Let's see. So create brand graphics, incorporate product illustrations. Okay, cool. Design icons, of course. Add interface visuals. Okay. So the UI changes. Once you enable Figma Draw, you notice how UI change Figma looks. Yeah, we now have this draw icon here. That's nice. Okay, we have layers visually, and we have some changes in the properties panel. Okay, so let's start with brushes and strokes. Select the brush tool from the toolbar. Let's just go to Figma UI. Awesome, it looks great. Let's select B, and yeah, let's try it. Oh, this white. Maybe I can change the color to something else. Increase the brush size. I think this will be great. Okay, this looks cool. Yeah, this is great. Add details to color to this drawing. Draw a signature. Okay, let's try it out. It reminds me of mostly of Procreate and iPad. I wonder if we can do this in the Figma iPad app. Okay, this looks cool. Create a brush. Oh, we can create brush. I don't see it here. Create a brush from this vector. So we can select this. Select a brushes and right click, open up the options menu. Create brush, stretch brush. Okay. Is it this one? No. New wave. Oh, apparently it is that one. Let's try this. Okay. Oh yeah, we do have that. That's great. Okay, so we can create brushes from there. Stroke panels, updates, stroke settings. Okay, there's frequency, wiggle, smoothen. That's nice. Initially, add the frequency thing, wiggle section. Okay, let's add some wiggle to this. So this is in the strokes section. Wait, where is the strokes in? Select advanced stroke settings. Okay, I don't see the advanced stroke settings. Oh, it's here probably. Okay, yeah. Oh, I'll be playing this with this a lot. Okay, I can change the wiggle. Amazing. You can smoothen out. Amazing. Okay, I'll be probably playing with this a lot. This is great. This is like my kind of update. Finish this total. I'm gonna do it later. Okay, vector improvements. This is the main thing I've been waiting for, because creating vector icons is like it's mostly hell coming from Illustrator. Let's see how this goes. So you can press enter and access the tools, vector editing tools. So it should be similar. Okay, yeah, this is great. This already looks great. Okay. Oh yeah, we have this in Illustrator. We can just select the tools like this. This is great. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna select some things like this. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay, we have the lasso tool. We have, what else do we have? So this is the lasso tool, shape builder, of course, paint, bend. Okay, I'll be probably making a separate tutorial for everything once I've got my hands on it and I've made some icons on this. Yeah, so select the lasso tool. Okay, I'm gonna select the lasso tool. Select function to present the corner radius to 8. Okay. To probably 8. Okay. Oh, I should select only some things. Okay, I can do that. And there should be 8. Yeah. Now do the same thing for, okay, I get it. Okay, so I'll probably make a new video on some improvements to this. Okay, fills and effects, textures, of course. So we can change the texture pattern. So if we add a texture, this layer, and probably this is the texture, and we can select a source and it adds that source as a texture. Yeah, that's good. Additional effects. Oh yeah, we have the progressive blur, the noise, background blur, and the thing. Okay, yeah, I'll probably make another video on the fills and effects, of course. Yeah, we have the repeating thing. So we can select something and here we can repeat it like this. Yeah, linear repeat, great. Okay, repeat transform, of course. Repeat to origin rotation, great. And we do have some inspirations from people who have done some things with this. I really love this texture pattern that we have here. I can't wait to play with that. Okay, I can't believe this is Figma. This looks great. I'll be probably making more art in Figma from this. Wow. Yeah, I'll be making more art in Figma from this. This is the kind of updates I'd like to see. Okay, yeah. Figma Draw is one of the best features in my opinion. About the 2025 config releases, it is great. I can't wait to play with it more, and stay tuned for that video for going through each and every features here in detail. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.